Good evening. In advance, I wish and I hope though aspirants who are preparing for DO examination a very best of luck in, as I said in advance. I see those who prepare sincerely for DO examination, they definitely achieve their best. They do become district educational officers in the near future. I simply have two things in my hand. I wanted to let you know two important things related to the DO examination, particularly main examination preparation. The one is how to prepare, how to study. The second thing I want to talk about is, I would like to talk about the second thing is how to reproduce your thoughts, how to reproduce your preparation into the answer sheet. Let me first figure out the how to study, how to prepare aspects. Simply, you have a history, geography, a polity. Try to have the syllabus. First of all, get the syllabus. I think TNPSC gives, they states the syllabus. So mug up the syllabus. Why I say to mug up? Mugging up is not a retardation. You have to mug up. If suppose you are sleeping, if the person asks after waking you up, tell me the syllabus, then you have to tell. That is the reality. Because unless you know the syllabus, you can't get into the DO preparation in a full swing. Why I am saying is, syllabus, that is cleverly you need to figure out. Because if you are reading, even if you can have any sources, umpty number of sources. For polity, just for an example, I am talking about polity. Polity syllabus you will be having, that is given by the TNPSC. Okay, now you are having the syllabus. Today you go to library and read some topics in the newspaper, be it the Hindu or the Indian Express or any paper. You read something relevant to the topic, but there they mention the articles and the amendments and the procedure and the history, somewhat history of evolution in a bit. If you have learned things, if you have abstracted things before, definitely you can easily remember, oh, I see, this point has what I studied there, the amendment has come, 42nd amendment has come, 76th amendment has come, this is derived from there. Okay, now you can guess. In science, pretty example I'm giving, in science, if you have the basic knowledge about what the principles are, what the idea, what the exact formula, and even everything scientifically, you can learn many things. But application side is very different. You have to apply. Unless you apply, the entire knowledge is quite dysfunctional. I mean, when you apply, then only the knowledge evolves, the knowledge grows, otherwise it won't. Now, polity, history, geography, and science, role of science, and now you have the syllabus, entire syllabus, Tamil Nadu Administration entire syllabus. In DO, we have only two papers apart from the paper 3, education. Education needs education. We can talk. We can have some other. If any, probably within 2 or 3 months, we can have the entire approach how to prepare for the preliminary. Education paper 3 aspects. We can have some discussion afterwards. Now I concentrate on paper 1, paper 2. How to study? Have the basic syllabus, related books. Everyone in the field of TNPSC veterans, they say that school books are enough. School books are more than enough, but if you want to differentiate your paper with other, rather than if you want to differentiate your paper with others, if you want to get more marks, then you have to study related many more books, then only your answer will. So even current affairs also, you, so preparation wise, get the syllabus, mug it up, question bank needs to be prepared. You can in our group, we try to give you a broad picture about all the question banks, because so far so many institutions, private institution and good even VLC, virtual learning academy from the government side also, they have produced so many questions, so we can easily form a question bank. Out of the question banks, none of the things has to be missed, so everything you can expect from the same question bank. We develop, we already organized, but we develop. So question bank syllabus also needs to be marked up. Then after questions, you can easily, you can have the ability to visualize all the questions. So question bank, then after study what the requirements. Suppose you are having a question, what the requirement, what the question needs, what the question demands, you need to study not only once, even twice or thrice. Without, you should not go for a pen while studying, while looking at the things. You should not go for anything. Read it silently, read with your mind. Not even you have to utter a single sentence, your lips should not move. Brain only should be active, brain only needs to read the entire things which are in the book. Okay, now you have the study material, question bank, syllabus. You study twice or thrice, then after go for revision, but revision can be done in time. Let you have a time split ups. Suppose you are reading something in this week, then other week that same thing needs to be revised. If you are but in that process, you need to make concise notes, precise notes. Then after have some tests. That is why our group, Prasad sir group, and myself also, I am going to give some little helps towards the preparation of DO. So the test series, the more you take number of tests, the more you took tests, the better you will write. Okay, leave it the preparation side. Now, how to reproduce the same thing in exam? You studied many things. Suppose in a point of time you might have studied everything, each and everything. Now, how to reproduce the same in the examination hall? You can have so many things to tell about in 2 days. Suppose you are having a question, you can talk about the same thing in 2 or 3 days in a particular section itself. But they ask 10 or 10 plus questions within a stipulated period of time, that is 3 hours. You are given 3 hours only. In that 3 hour, paper completion, time management, everything needs to be focused. Brief enough. If you are brief enough, have some essays version here and there, but no need to. When you write, you need to be very fast. Your handwriting can be quite visible, quite legible, but handwriting doesn't matter. You have to write fast. While writing, make points, arrange them in. So in that aspect, when you go for writing test series, these things has to be practiced. That's it. So in my opinion, I would rather advise you go for test series. You practice number of times, then only you will have a examination aspect, so you can have a full strength. I conclude paper completion, time management, and use of a good black pen like V7 Pilot. And even if you are writing in the black pen, that has to be used in a normal way. Wherever you go, use it all. Again I say paper completion is more than necessary. The more the completion of your paper in a limited time with the accuracy, quality of paper, as you, that will speak large volumes about your preparation in a nice manner. You can definitely become a DO in the years to come. Again I wish you good luck.